Help Center Tutorials. How to edit your customers' records from your mobile POS device, iPad or iPhone. You may need to add or edit information on your customer records long after you've created them, and there are several ways to do this in Precision Systems. If you haven't already done so, we invite you to read our article How to Edit a Customer Record in Precision Systems to learn about the other methods, and to pick the one which will work best for you in each situation. Editing them from your mobile POS device, iPad or iPhone is one of them. To do this, go to Customer Database from the menu. In the search bar located at the top of the right sidebar of your screen, enter the first or last name of the customer you are looking for. Press on it once it is proposed to you below the search bar. This will take you to the customer's file. You can then click on each of the fields in the file that you wish to fill in or modify. Once you have finished, scroll down and press the Update button to save the changes you have made. Note that you can press Edit, located in the upper part of the sidebar on the right side of your screen instead of Update, to reset and therefore cancel the changes.